flash flood warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. this evening for southern DuPage County. At 6:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated that the thunderstorms responsible for the very heavy rain have ended. Runoff from the earlier thunderstorms will continue, with localized flooding of low-lying and flood-prone areas likely continuing. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles east of Waukegan Harbor to Wilmette Harbor to near O'Hare Airport, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, Michigan City, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Indiana Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, and Burns Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact northeastern DuPage and northeastern Cook counties through 7:45 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Morton Grove to O'Hare Airport. Movement was southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Belmont Cragen, Westchester, Dunning, Forest Glen, Bellwood, Berkeley, Austin, Rogers Park, Hillside, Winnetka, River Forest, Northlake, Schiller Park, Logan Square, Edison Park, Glenview, Stone Park, Uptown, Elmwood Park, Gulf, Niles, Rosemont, Evanston, Oak Park, and Harwood Heights. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. this evening for southern DuPage County. At 6:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated that the thunderstorms responsible for the very heavy rain have ended. Runoff from the earlier thunderstorms will continue, with localized flooding of low-lying and flood-prone areas likely continuing. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Woodridge, Hinsdale, Burridge, Oakbrook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Warrenville, Willowbrook, and Clarendon Hills. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The following is a flood advisory from the National Weather Service. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of northeast Illinois, including the following counties: Cook, DuPage, and Will. When? Until 8:45 p.m. Impacts: creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details: at 5:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall with rates of up to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Some locations that will experience flooding include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Mokina, Frankfort, Lamont, Burridge, Darien, Crest Hill, Shorewood, and Frankfort Square. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. A flood advisory means minor flooding along waterways and other poor drainage areas is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons in the advisory area should use caution and avoid flood waters. This is NOAA Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport.